Welcome back, crew, to beautiful Miami and the 79th Street Boat Ramp and the Miami Boat Ramps channel, the greatest show on earth. Whatever you do on a boat, don't do this. That's a dangerous move. And they're going to hit the boat in front of them. Cap has a turn last second. And that's why you don't do stuff like that. It's dangerous. And here's our Cap, who was in the trees on our side just a few moments ago, making his approach. Is he going to wind up in the trees again on the other side? He's trying to pick his buddies up on the dock and just missed. Let's see if he's going to wind up in the mangroves over here as well. Kind of all over the place with the throttle. He's going to swing it back around and make another approach to try and grab his friends. Alright, coming in at a decent pace this time. Oh, heavy on the throttle again. Gonna have to brake check it. And it looks like it's just a pick up and go, so he's not even really trying to get on the dock. He's just trying to get close enough for his friends to get on. So another bumper forward. And it looks like that'll do it, and the boys are ready to get out there on the bay for a day of fishing. Our crew's coming in on approach. Looks like they're going to attempt a port side approach on 5. So Cap didn't like the initial approach and is already backed out, trying to reline it up. And he's got his lady up in the front. She's got lines on the ready. Good sign. Good start. So Cap's going to have to bring the boat back over. It's not... Probably going to have to back out on this one. The only thing he could do is he could have turned hard in, bow in, on the dock, but I think it would have just kicked the stern out. So he's going to back out and try and line it up. I'm going to go for a second attempt. So port bow in, coming in on 5. Good speed on approach right this second. Starts to make the turn to try and get the stern in on the dock as well. And the brake check. And that's going to kick the stern out. His girl goes for it, gets the pole, but now he does a bump of forward gear, but she didn't have the other end of the line. It comes off the pole and they're still going forward. So she tossed. It was a great line toss, but she just wasn't holding on to the other end of the line. Cap's got to watch it. He's going to get that stern back into the pole behind him. And here we go. We've got one line on the dock. Should be pretty good to roll. Now our Cap here is coming in on approach. He's coming in hot on 3. Hard turn. Got some speed. Man, but he lands it like a pro. Well, I guess he is a pro. This is one of the jet ski rental companies down here. They'll use this boat as a base of operations. Basically, they'll pick people up from the dock, take them out to the jet skis, let them run the jet skis, and then bring them back on this boat. But Cap had it down pat. I saw him coming in hot for a minute, and kind of a risky move, because if he hits the dock, he's hitting at speed, but he's got it. I can't tell. I think that's Captain yelling at the guy in the jet ski who's going to try and cut in front of him. And, well, he's not going to try. He's actually going to do it. And Cap's like, what, bro? I was making my turn in, and my guy just cuts me off. So good job. Cap's giving directions. I like to see this, but Cap leaves the helm. I don't like to see that. Gotta let them do it, Cap. If you're gonna give the directions, just let the people take care of it. You got extra people on the boat, man. So, Cap in that, he floated a little too close, it looks like, and he's gonna have to realign his approach a little bit. Taking his time on the reapproach, though. Here we go. We go back into gear. We're going to try this again. Coming on for starboard side dock. Now, wind and current looks like it's pulling left or right across the screen, so he's being pushed into the dock. Gonna have to come up a little more on the dock, though. Is he gonna miss again? It looks like we're gonna miss one more time. He's gonna try and swing it back around. So, our lady goes out. She's got one hand on the pole. Cap leaves the helm again, but the boat's in gear. So, it's swinging around on him. Cap quickly realizes it. They wind up hitting the dock, and he gets it fixed right there at the last second. That's why you don't want to leave the helm. I mean, leaving the helm in theory should kill the boat if you're wearing the safety kill switch lanyard, but obviously he's not. That's why you wear it, because that boat was in gear and easily could have just started getting away from them. But fortunately, he caught it quick and was able to get back and fix it. But now we've still got to get the boat over. And there we go. And here comes our next vessel, making their approach all the way down at the end. Two people with lines on the ready, so Cap's got some help. That jet ski tied to the mangroves? It sure looks like it from here. So we've already got our girl on the dock. And Cap's gonna leave the helm as well. I guess they're struggling with the handoff on the stern line. There we go. And we get the wave to the cameras when they realize finally they're being recorded. And it's not that unobvious. We're not hidden down here at 79th. Actually, we're not really hidden at any of the boat ramps that we're at. But this crew will get it tied off and they'll be good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. If not, we're coming to steal your drain plug.